Egg poachers are a handy kitchen tool that makes the process of poaching eggs simple and effortless. There are many products available to choose egg poachers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best egg poachers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Excel Steel Non-Stick Easy Use Rust Resistant. Excel Steel Non-Stick Easy Use Rust Resistant Home Kitchen Breakfast Brunch Induction Cooktop Egg Poacher. 4 cups, 1/810 stainless steel. His 4-cup egg poacher is constructed in durable stainless steel and features stay-cool handles, non-stick coated egg cups for easy egg extraction, and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Durable stainless steel construction, stay-cool handles for safe use, non-stick coated egg cups for easy egg extraction. Number 2. Egg Poacher Essentials Poached Egg Maker. The Essentials Egg Poacher Poached Egg Maker is a high-quality stainless steel poaching pan that can make up to 6 XL poached eggs at once. The pans come with 4 extra poaching cups, all with a FOA-free non-stick coating. The pan has a sturdy, heavy stainless steel body suitable for all stove types, and a Bakelite handle that stays cool to the touch. The individual insert cups can be easily removed, cleaned quickly, or put into the dishwasher. The egg poacher can also be used as a sauté pan. Number 3. Non-stick Egg Poacher Pan. Take the strain out of poaching eggs with Excel Steel's 2-cup egg poacher. Made of rust-resistant stainless steel, it doubles as a regular cooking pan, making it versatile and efficient in the kitchen. It comes with non-stick egg cups for easy cleanup, and is dishwasher safe. Impress friends and family with a delicious weekend brunch by creating Eggs Benedict, toasted English ham muffin, or a light morning snack. Easy to use with included instructions. Durable and long-lasting with rust-resistant stainless steel. Multi-purpose use as a regular cooking pan. Easy cleanup with included non-stick egg cups and dishwasher safe. Impress friends and family with delicious brunch options. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Silicone Egg Poachers. The OXO silicone egg poachers are designed to help you quickly and easily make perfectly poached eggs. The funnel shape keeps the egg contained for perfect poaching, while the whole pattern optimizes water flow around the entire egg for even cooking. The convenient marking shows how much water to add to the pot. Made of high heat-resistant silicone, these egg poachers are easy to clean and collapse for compact storage. With a silicone tab for safe removal from hot water, they are also BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Number 5. Nordic Ware 64E702 2-cup microwave egg poacher. The Nordic Ware 64E702 microwave egg poacher is a simple and easy way to make delicious egg dishes in minutes. Made of thickened material, this poacher can withstand strong impacts and is anti-falling and pressure resistant. It comes with a measuring cup, is dishwasher safe, and BPA-free, making it a convenient kitchen gadget for poached egg lovers. You can mix any ingredients you like, experiment with cook times, and enjoy your perfect poached eggs. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.